Hello kids, in writing today, what you're going to do, you're going to click into the writing folder and you're going to go to the Wednesday writing using sensory details in writing. It's a video on YouTube and it basically just gives you an idea of how to add in details of sight, details of hearing, details of touch, details of taste, details of the fifth one. Smell. There we go. Took me a little while. I had a little um, um, brain break personally. But you're adding these kinds of detail words to make your writing more interesting. And so it's an opportunity for you to spruce up your stories a little bit. And after you watch the video, I would like for you to include some of these sensory details in the writing that you do. Use your writing time to be creative and have fun. By now, you should have numerous um, pages of work, and if you don't, it's time for you to get moving on that. We're looking for you to try your best to fill a page per day. That's kind of the general goal in third grade, is fill a page per day with story ideas or whatever creative writing you're coming up with. Remember that pictures are okay, but I would not be spending most of my time doing the illustrations until we're in an illustration study. It's okay to do some illustrations, but I do want you to focus on sentence writing and using those things that we've been talking about with sentence construction and adding sensory details into your writing. So have fun with it and enjoy the video, and hopefully you have some really great story ideas that you're working on. All right, keep those stories in your authors folder. Don't forget, they go in your authors folder. All right, good luck and have fun.